up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I need to paint my nails. I need to check the mail. I have a lot to do on my to-do list right now. But I'm going to start out my day by opening a Mini Brands Fashion Series 3 capsule because I want those brown boots. You know, the tall ones that come with the French purse. These right there. Is today the day? Here we go. And we have sneakers. Cream-colored sneakers with roses. These are not brown boots. We have a gold headband, brown and gold sunglasses, and the purse is a little Louis Vuitton-inspired bag. Okay, I think we're done. I'm calling off the search. I'm gonna go paint my nails. And we're back. I went with like a purplish color. While waiting for them to dry, I was reading comments, and one of you says, Toya, check your mail. You're right, I do have a little bit of a backlog. So today, let's spend some time checking out stuff from our fabs and besties. There's a letter. Hey Toya, my kids and I have watched your channel for a long time. They love the Darbies and all the custom dolls. Off with their heads! I love all your unique crafts. We thought you might enjoy some crochet minis. Yeah, I will. I hope they fit, and if not, they'll make for good clutter. There's even a video on my channel at Badge Crafts on how to make the legged frog lovey if you want to make some yourself. Happy crafting. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Badge Crafts. We got some granny squares. I am literally trying to learn how to crochet smaller right now. This is too cute. Look at how small these crochets are. I love this. It's a star. And is this a blanket? This all looks like great stuff for babies. See? How adorable. This looks like a crocheted cardigan. Let's place it on Mini Toya. It's cute. And it's the perfect thing, you know, for layering here in Georgia because it's like 40 in the morning and then 75 in the afternoon. And look at that. I think it matches the Mini Brand shoes. Add the purse. And it's a look. Oops, almost forgot the sunglasses. It's the perfect look for walking around the botanical gardens. Let's open this up. It is little tiny crocheted plushies. That is adorable. And there's a little frog. What? This is so stinking adorable. Okay, this is totally going in a baby's room. Look at it with the little babies. There's another one. Let's see what this is. Y'all are super talented, let me just say. Hats. They are tiny hats. Are they going to fit the babies? This hat is a little large. Maybe these will fit Chelsea. Here's a smaller one, and that is kind of cute. This one right here is pretty much perfect on the babies. And it matches the star. Thank you so much, Badge Crafts and family. This is really cute. Since we didn't find our boots, let's make some sandals for spring. Inspired by the Hermes Oran sandal, like this dupe from Target. Sorry if I totally pronounced that wrong. Let's take this Mini Brands Fashion shoe, trace it on cardstock, then let's modify it a little. Once you get the shape that you want, cut it out. I trace it 3 times. One is for the base of the shoe. Then the other, we're going to use that one for like a little heel pad or like a insert. The third one I cut out and trace 2 more times to make it slightly larger for the bottom of the shoe. And then the other one, we're going to just draw a little line right here for the heel. On another piece of paper, just lightly draw the letter H, then just draw around it to make what the top of the shoe is supposed to look like. Cut it out to make a pattern for our shoe. Let's see if we can make these using paper. I have yellow and brown cardstock. Trace the top, the strap, and the insert on yellow. I don't know what this part of the shoe is called. I'm just calling it the straps. I trace the bottom and the heels on brown. For each shoe, I trace the heel 3 times and the bottom of the shoe twice. I trace the top of the shoe twice, the strap once, and the insert once. I don't know if we're going to need this many, but I would rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And when tracing the other shoe, just flip the pattern over. And I put a small mark on them so I know which one is the left shoe and which one is the right. Then carefully cut everything out. I'm cutting on the inside of the traced line. Stack and glue all of the like kind pieces together. And once again, we should have 5 pieces for each shoe. This is very thin, so I might add another layer to the top and the bottom and the heel of the shoe. I now have 3 layers for the top of the shoe, 3 for the bottom, and I'm doing 5 for the heel. 1 for the insert and 1 for the strap. Glue on the insert or the little heel cushion, and I'm just using a glue stick to glue everything together. I take my doll's foot and place the shoe underneath, wrap the top of the shoe over the doll's foot, and glue it to the bottom. Add the sole of the shoe, glue on the heel, repeat to make 2. I brush it with clear nail polish to seal it and make it more durable. Now we just need to wait for it to dry. While waiting, let's open more mail. To the miniverse, the home of Miss Murdy. Oh wow, the box is decorated all the way around. May contain cute minis for 1/6 and 1/3 scale. Hi Toya, hope you enjoy this care package. Happy holidays! Oh wow, yeah, I have a backlog. Inside we have a card. I hope you and your family are having a happy holiday. In this box, I've included some homemade vegan chocolate spoons. Oh, that is so thoughtful to enjoy with hot cocoa. I am so sorry that I am so behind on opening my mail. I love making chocolates in my spare time. I also included a few little illustrations of mine, from my family to yours. There's a little handmade sculpted figure. How cute! Are these Make It Mini donuts? My dolls can enjoy these with a cup of coffee. We have stickers and stuff, perfect for journaling. This was sent at Christmas. How did you know I've gotten into journaling? There's a Bratz bag. Bratz have really cool accessories, like seriously. And inside, there's books. Alice in Wonderland. This looks like it could be used for the smart dolls, and there are real words and pages in here. I love doll books. What's this? We have a box, and inside, those are hands. Oh wow, it's a box of arms. They're squishy. They're silicone, and they look like they would fit a smart doll. Oh wow. There are no seams. That looks real. Big thanks to @Crumbug and @Miss Murdy's Menagerie Art. Honestly though, this is so cool. This one is coming from Spain. Oh, is that my Dolly Dolls? Shopping bag by Dawson Diggs Dolls? Oh my goodness. It's a Christmas card with an outfit. Y'all, I could have been rocking this during the holidays. Dear Toya, wishing you a holiday season brimming with dolls and unbridled joy, with heartfelt gratitude for all your contributions and hard work in making this community truly wonderful. Much love, my Dolly Dolls team. Oh, check out this outfit. We have buttons, pockets, and a bag. Thank you so much, my Dolly Dolls and Dawson Diggs Dolls. This is amazing. Our shoes are almost dry, so let's open more mail. Pretty golden bubble mailer. And inside we have a card. It says Toya Enjoy, and it's pink. So here is a note that is also pink. Toya, how are you? I'm sure you're well since I see you 3 times a week. Yeah, I do make a lot of videos. I'm making one right now. Anyway, I was so surprised this last episode to see you hadn't found these boots yet. These? Why would you say these? Oh, no! Oh my goodness! Those stinking brown boots! I have spent so much money looking for these. Oh, wow. And you sent them to me? Y'all are the sweetest. I am not crying. This is like the rainbow unicorn all over again. Y'all are the best. Okay, let's get back to the cart. I had two, so of course one pair was coming your way. I can't even read with my glasses right now. Okay. I was going to send you a glue gun for Christmas, but then you received about 100. Keep doing what you do. You truly bring so much joy to the world. Oh my gosh, y'all are so amazing. I am also a woman over 40. We love what we love. Yes, loving my 40s. Enjoy your Fabsome bestie, Claire. Thank you so much, Claire. Now we need to try these on. I'm putting them on our doll Alex, which is an Integrity Toys doll. I paired them with a blue dress that Crumbug sent us a while back, and Ken's cowboy hat for a loosely based Tanner Adele inspired look. Since Beyonce has me listening to country music nonstop, Tanner Adele wore something similar on an Instagram post, and I thought it was too adorable. Our designer-inspired sandals are pretty much dry. Let's place them on our doll. And yeah, it stays. They are a tiny bit long, but I don't mind it, because when the shoes are slightly larger, it does make it a little easier to make them. This is such an easy shoe to make. We can make them in tons of different colors. All we need is different paper. If you would like to see more paper shoes and even purses, let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much, Fabsome besties, for the mail, and I will definitely try to do better at opening it in a reasonable time. I had a feeling I was going to find those boots today because someone in the comments kept saying, Toya, check your mail. Was that you, Claire? You all are the absolute best. Thank you for joining us today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.